Residents of the Sandhill Aged Care Facility received a special visit. 95-year-old, aptly named Gordon Hawthorne, a long-time supporter.
Ever since I can remember.
The ladies appreciating the visit from the young players, some more than others.
Oh, it's lovely of you to come and see us all. It's just absolutely lovely.
The players also getting in some laser tag action, participating in the Education Department's Guaranteeing Futures program. In Hobart, some big names visiting Tasmanian Special Olympics athletes, enjoying some one-on-one time with their heroes on the football field.
So we've got Buddy Franklin there, and we've got the captain of the Hawthorn Football Club, so we're really pleased with the turnout and the support.
Hawthorn teammates happy to be back in Tasmania.
As I said, it's not often that we get to come down here and sort of interact with the members as much as this week, so I think the kids really enjoy it. Well, I hope they enjoy it because we certainly get a lot out of it.
The community camp will end with an intra-club match on Friday at Aurora Stadium. Rebecca Elston, Southern Cross News.